Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, today I'm having lots of issues with the internet connection. So, okay, if I get disrupted, we will join again. We'll try to join again. Okay. So now, I hope all of you are audible to me. I hope all of you are audible to me.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute. Okay. So, basically, in AutoCAD, with the last classes we discussed regarding certain basic commands. Okay, how to do a drawing, what are the different commands, right? So now, let us discuss some theory aspects of it. Okay. Can you see my screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir. We can see now.
sorry. So in the initial screen, if you can see here, this is the default screen. If you open your software, are you connected to your laptops? Are you connected to your laptops?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the application menu, you can see, first of all, this A symbol, if you see in your laptop, first of all, this A symbol, this is the application menu. Okay. Now then you go to this save and all, these are the quick access toolbar. Okay. Now this is what is written here, two-dimensional wireframe or something like that. If you see in this position, can you see in your software, your laptops? So this is actually called as in canvas tools. Okay. Now look, like we open in Google Chrome, this is a similar thing. Yeah. So in here also, in AutoCAD also, your what is called it? There are different tabs. Now tab one, tab two. Now, if you can see here, there are different tabs. Like you can open different brands there. Okay. So now the basic thing in the AutoCAD is what? Pointer. So what is that pointer? Pointer is that means cursor. Now, if you see here, what I'll show you. If you see here, this arrow, like this square thing, this is basically what? This is the pointer. Okay. This square thing, I mean, this square thing, this is basically what? No, the pointer. I hope you can see it. So this is basically the tool that is used to do all the activities. Okay. Now here, if you see this X and Y part, the software in the bottom left, you can see there is one X and Y part. Yeah. So this X and Y part is called what? This X and Y part is called, your uh, coordinate system. This X and Y part is called your coordinate system. Now in AutoCAD, either you can use the different, tools here from line, polyline with a specific, and or else you can put the command. So this is the command. Like suppose you have to draw a line, you just type line and then it will give the instructions and eventually you can draw it. Okay. Now here, if you can see here, this is the view cube. View cube means what? The way it has been presented. That means north, south, east, west directions are there. Okay. So this is the view cube. Then above it, it is the menu. That means what? If you want to see the top view, if you want to see the, you know, isometric view, all the views are available there. Okay. So this view thing basically comes to, uh, comes to, to call it importance when you draw a 3D model. Okay. This view thing comes to importance when you draw the different kind of views. Okay. Is it clear for all of you? Are you having any doubts? Are you having any doubts? Hello, can you all respond? Are you having any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us not go to the 3D part today. We'll just go to the 2D part. Now look, in this menu thing, so while doing this classes, better open your laptop. Do not try to join via mobiles. Okay. Then only you can open the software and just you can apply everything. Okay. Now if you see here, if you see here, there are different tabs. Okay. These tabs are what? Home, insert, annotate. These are the different tabs in the menu. Then if you open in the home only, in the home only you will have different sub panels. Now these sub panels will what? These sub panels will depict the different parts of the menu. Now then, if you go to the next one, these are the different commands on the AutoCAD. Or commands, these are the different commands in the menu. Now we'll go to the individual menus. Okay, first of all, application menu. Now application menu, just try to open it. Just go into the application. This A, when you click on this A part, then the application menu. Okay, it's for AutoCAD, it's for application. Now here you can see that if you can see that, here this is the open and recent. Look, there are two options here, recent and open. Now suppose you have created a particular document, then you want to save it. Okay, then you can just click on this recent documents. Then it will be coming like this. These are a recent. Suppose I have done certain type of drawings. So these are the drawings that I have done. So these are my recent documents. Okay. So you have to open something else. Then you just click on open documents and then search for it. So in this way, suppose I am going to open this sometime. This way. Okay. So this is basically how you have to open. Okay. I hope it is clear for all of you. This part. I hope this part is clear for all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to the next part. Next we'll go to the what? Quick access toolbar. If you go to the quick access toolbar, can you say which one is the quick access toolbar from here? Can someone please unmute and speak up? So now, can you tell me which one is the quick access toolbar? Can anyone please pick up?
Top left, sir.
Top left. Top left, this one. Okay, this is the good, very good. This is the quick access toolbar. Okay. So now, in this quick access toolbar, what we'll do is the areas easy. That means quick access. Suppose you have to, open, then like save it. Huh? This kind of things are save as, save, open, new, print. I mean, plot. In AutoCAD, actually, it does not come as a print option, but it comes as a plot option. Okay. So this kind of accesses are given here. Okay, is it clear for all of you? Now we'll go to the different tabs. Now suppose look, this one here, one window is there, then another tab is open. You can just add more tabs, like you have to make a blank thing. Suppose I'm drawing a line. So this is how we'll draw a line. Right. Now this is what is called. These are the different tabs. Okay. So these are the different tabs. Now we'll go to the next window is next menu is like just now we discussed the view cube, the navigation bar. Okay. Now another important aspect of this is command line. So this is basically the command line. You can see here, suppose I am pressing something line. Now look, this is coming as a solution. Now you just click on the line. Okay. Now here specify first point is there. So it comes as an instruction specify first. Suppose here you have to draw here, specify first point. You click here, this is the first point. Now you have to specify the next point. You just drag it. Okay. Now drag it. Not using dimensions. The next point will be what? Suppose this take click there. Finish. Now you just drag it again. Now there is one issue. You might have one doubt. Like how to draw a straight line. Now this is inclined line, right? This is not straight. You have to draw a straight line which is perpendicular. So how to draw it? In your keyboard, just hold the shift and just then draw it. Then it will come like this. That means it is 90 degrees rotation. Now you just push an enter or just make that normal click of the mouse. I hope this is clear for all of you. How to draw a straight line basically. How to draw a straight line basically. Is it clear, all of you, how to draw a straight line?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
And you can just once you are like first of all, if you start drawing, you can just what you can do is you can only click only the left click of the mouse. You just put on the clicks and then you draw it. Automatically. Now it is coming like this every single time. Now how to say that you have done completing, you have completed your drawing. After finishing your drawing, you just press on the enter. Then it is completely done. Is it clear how to draw? Is it clear how to draw?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I hope this is clear for all of you. How to draw everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll go to the next aspect. This is command line. That means actually these commands can be found with the that menu below that menu only. But suppose you are more comfortable using the keyboard, then you can use this command tab. Again, so these are the basic things. Now we'll go to the a little bit more particular menus. Okay. Now, So now, if you go to the main screen here, okay, I've opened it. Now, if you see here, this X and Y, it is highlighted. So this X and Y in the bottom left corner, these are the coordinates in the Cartesian system. Simple, just like the coordinates in the X and Y. Okay. Now, there are certain special buttons here. If you look at this one, model, model layout or something like that. First of all, this drawing display grid. Grid means what? Get this. This is off, then it is not coming as grid. But this is on, this grid thing, the back. This is coming. Then we go to the what? Next one is what? Snap. So if this snap is on, suppose, let's see here. It will snap only the grids. That means what? Suppose you are drawing a line here. Okay. Suppose you are drawing a line here. It will be able to snap only the grids. Now it will take only the grids here. That means the grids will be considered if it is snap. Now we are going to the next one, ortho. This is a very important one. Now ortho means what? Orthogonal. Suppose you have to draw only perpendiculars. Now if you switch on this ortho mode, look at this ortho mode. Then what will happen? This line. Now here, irrespective of how you draw, it will come out to be perpendicular. Okay, suppose you have to draw like this. You are taking your cursor here also, it will go inclined. It will go like in straight. Okay, so in this way, this ortho mode works. Okay, is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this is the ortho mode. Now we'll go to the next one is what? This polar tracking and all, isometric drafting. These are, we'll discuss it later on. Now we'll go to the object snapping or OSNAP. Now in my case, OSNAP is on here. So what is the advantage of switching on OSNAP? Now if it is on, now you draw a line here, it will just automatically detect the edges or corners. But if it is off, it will not detect the corners. So it will become difficult for you for whether it will pass to corners or not. So always keep this object snapping on. Both. Okay. Then it will look. This arrow has come, that means what? It is in the edge. Like this. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the basically all the special techniques or special menus that we have to keep it on. Okay. So this thing up till now, is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.